Hey everybody, Todd Toven here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today I want to show you how to make a very simple but delicious breakfast quesadilla on the Blackstone Griddle. Make sure you have your griddle nice and hot. Mine's on medium today. I'm gonna throw down a little olive oil. Then I have a minced garlic olive oil paste. We're gonna add diced yellow onions, and we're gonna mix those around, get them nice and caramelized, take 3 or 4 minutes before we add our sausage. Today I'm using Jimmy Dean hot breakfast sausage, but you could also use chorizo or just about any type of ground meat. I'm gonna season with kosher salt and black pepper. Keep mixing that around, brown it up. This is probably gonna take you anywhere from 4 to 5 minutes. Gonna flatten out that sausage and start cracking eggs into the mixture. How many eggs you add is entirely up to you because it's your breakfast quesadilla. Chop those eggs up, mix them up with the sausage, garlic, and onions until the eggs are cooked. And now it's time to build the quesadilla. I have 2 10-inch flour tortillas. I'm gonna add a 3 shredded cheese mixture, my sausage egg mixture on top of that, a little bit of chopped cilantro. I always have to have green chili. Finally, we'll seal the deal with a little more cheese and the top tortilla. Once the bottom tortilla is toasted, you want to give that a flip and let the rest of the cheese melt that thing together. Put it on the cutting board, cut that thing up into 4 pieces, and it's time to eat. That golden toasted tortilla, the melted cheese. Ooh, let's give it a try. So good and so simple. If you want this recipe and more, just visit us at blackstoneproducts.com.